Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root 3 minus 2 square root 2. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking the number only without taking the outside square root. So now I'm considering this number and write 3 as 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. And I can write this as 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. Now I can compare this with the very famous identity, that is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If I'll compare this, so the value of a square is 2 and minus 2ab is minus 2 root 2 plus b square is 1. So the value of a is root 2 and the value of b is 1. So we can write this as root 2 square minus 2 times root 2 times 1 plus 1 square. So it becomes a formula of root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now I'm taking this outside square root as well. So with the help of this square root eliminates. So the final answer is root 2 minus 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.